Hey yo, welcome back to another Michigander Outdoors. As you can hear, it is raining. So we are going to go do a little test. And everyone thinks these silver bass are stupid and nothing to it, but we are going to see if they still are just as stupid in the rain. And we can catch a bunch. On our way there, see you on the water. Little guy, but this, oh, he just fucking came on me. Look at, cool. Don't come on me. Pro tip, when you're done with the stringer, put these back together, because when you throw this in the water, they get tangled up on everything. Now what we're doing, it's kind of hard to see, but like right there, you can see a difference in current. That's where that guy was. I switched to about a 1/4 ounce. Right there. Right there. He hit it. I know, cool story. But yeah, so I saw them following all the way up to here from out there. And yeah, they were coming right up to these rocks, but I was going too fast because I didn't want to get snagged in the rocks. So I yeah, put some new line on there, threw it out there, put a new jig on there, slowed it down, and bam. This is the juice. That was on the pause. Little guys now. The problem with these guys, they're $7 and they're actually quite fragile. If you ask me. I've only caught 3 fish on it. No, only 1 fish, and it's already ribbon. So that's cool. Okay, that was the second time where this water is clear enough. Damn it, I'm stupid. That he hit right here. You would have seen it. So I think how I did that. So I didn't hit the weeds. I just roll it over top quickly. That gets their attention. And then they're sitting out in this bay. Follow it, and I slow it down. Oh, really? Yes, I hope you got that. I think we got that one. He choked that one. Shit. He done swallowed that guy. Pick of that. So last time I said I needed to bring a different stringer, but I didn't. But it's fine. Once I fill this up, we can go home. Yeah, screw it. Let's go home and spend some time in the line. Let's do this a couple more times, you know. There's no such thing as one last cast. Alright, hey yo. We're calling it a day. Today started off real shitty. Went to my spot where I got a crap load of fish yesterday, but every other cast I was losing a jig, so I think I lost, I don't know, 8, 9 of them before I got fed up. And then lady next to me, they were using minnows and they were catching them like crazy. I was not. and she was even nice enough. She gave me one, and then of course I snagged it. So after that I said screw it. I was actually on my way to Cabela's, and then it's like, you know what, we're gonna stop at a couple spots along the way, along the river, see if we can make something happen. We managed to scrape out 6 fish in, I don't know, like half an hour-ish. Like I always say, it's not a waste as long as you learn something. So today, what I learned is just drive around. You know, all the people, I don't know. So a lot of you have been asking, like, oh, well, where is that? And I don't want to be a dick, but I also don't want to just hand out stuff. Like, you know, it's the Detroit River. So one day, all I did was I went for a drive. I started downtown by Belle Isle, and I made my way all the way down to Trenton, and yeah, look for spots. You know, you can very easily look for parks. They're green on Google Maps. But anyway, what I learned is don't get pissed off and just leave. I was on my way to Cabela's, and I decided to stop, and I got 6 fish. Another thing I learned, don't always just, you know, do what you see on the internet. Minnows obviously are working right now because the people next to me, and everyone says Mr. Twister for silvers, but I was trying a swim bait, and yeah, it works. So get out there, try something different, look for new spots, go on an adventure. You know, if your wife or your girlfriend, if she likes that kind of stuff, take her along. Mine does not like the cold, and so it's windy and it's kind of cold right now. But when it gets warmer, I'll probably be doing this with her because there's nice spots along the river. I brought trash bags this time. 2 grocery bags full of trash along the river. So please pick up your and pick up others that are stupid. Because the Detroit River really is, it's a very nice place. I just wish people would have taken, I wish we could go back in time and take care of it better. But this is what it is. So as long as we can do our part to keep it clean, I think we'll be in good shape. Hope you liked this video. Make sure, if you did like this video, you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another episode of Michigander Outdoors on the Detroit River.